show you how to unhide rows in Google Sheets using the latest 2026 method. If some rows in your spreadsheet have been hidden and you want to display them again, Google Sheets lets you restore few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop and go to *Sheets, Google.com*. Sign in to your Google account if needed. Hidden rows. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the row numbers on the left side of the sheet. If rows are hidden, you'll notice that the row numbers skip. For example, you might see row 5 followed directly by row 10. You'll also see small arrow icons between the visible row numbers, indicating that rows are hidden. The quickest way to unhide the rows is to click one of these small. Google Sheets will restore the hidden rows to their original position. Another method is to select the rows immediately above and below the hidden section. For example, if rows 6 through 9 are hidden, select rows 5 and 10. Use Unhide Rows if the option appears. The hidden rows will immediately become visible again. If multiple groups of rows are hidden, simply repeat the same process for each hidden section until all the rows you need are restored. Update formulas, apply formatting, or continue working with your spreadsheet as usual. Unhiding rows is especially useful when reviewing shared spreadsheets, working with filtered reports, managing budgets, tracking inventory, or editing large datasets where some information has been temporarily hidden. Remember, hiding rows doesn't delete any data. It simply removes the rows from view. Choose to display them again. And that's it. That's how to unhide rows in Google Sheets in 2026. It's a quick and easy feature that helps you access hidden information whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.